Whilst everyone is struggling in these COVID lockdowns and these prolonged absences from school, I would just like to thank the teachers and staff at Pen-y-Dre for their continued support throughout these tough times. Always there at the end of a phone call or an email, giving support and advice to our pupils. Many have to work from their own home whilst homeschooling their own children. And hopefully we will all be back at Pen-y-Dre soon, where we can continue to aspire and achieve belief.
A big thank you to all Pen-y-Dre staff for all the online support, work and effort for us pupils at home. We thank you very much. Rydym and diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you to all the teachers who have helped us through 2020.
Thanks for the teachers at Pen-y-Dre for helping us.
Thank you to all our teachers at Pen-y-Dre High School. You were all amazing. Thank you for the hard work and time you're putting into teaching us in these difficult times. By not giving up in such hard times, you have taught us to never give up on our hopes and dreams. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you all.
Diolch i'n staff yn Ysgol Pen-y-Dre ac am fod yn gefnogol iawn yn ystod yr amser hwn.
Thank you, teachers at Pen-y-Dre.
Thank you to all the Pen-y-Dre staff.
Hi to all my teachers. Thank you for being not stressful at a really stressful time. Thank you. We can pull through this. It means a lot. Okay.
Thank you to all the Pen-y-Dre staff for uploading work daily on Google Classroom, ringing home to make sure pupils are safe and well, and also doing live lessons. Thank you. Diolch.
I would like to say a massive thank you to all Pen-y-Dre staff. I thank you for your time, effort and support. I hope you all are safe, healthy and well.
Thank you to all the teachers and staff at Pen-y-Dre. Thank you for all your amazing work.
To all staff at Pen-y-Dre, thank you for supporting my home learning.
You guys do so much for us that I don't think you get enough recognition for, like putting together tests for us to do, the mock tests, marking all of our work, setting work, doing live lessons now in this lockdown. And I think that it's really great because I know that in Pen-y-Dre all of the students get the support they need, and I definitely know that I got the support that I needed. Even before the lockdown, like way before the lockdown, since coming to Pen-y-Dre, I've always felt really supported and welcomed in this school. And I'd like to thank all of you, the PYD team, the staff, for that, because I think a massive part of my own personal growth in this school has been because of the teachers and because of you guys. I think that the support that we get is incredible, and I'd like to thank you all for being the support that a lot of kids and students, including myself, need.
I just want to say a great big thank you to all of the teachers that have been helping us doing work from home, giving us phone calls, checking up to see how we are, keeping us in a routine, which is honestly such a big help during this time. So thank you very much. I hope we're all well. I hope we're all doing okay. Diolch yn fawr iawn.